Good morning, class. Today we'll learn about the trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the chapter which is completely new for you. We have not read in the previous classes. Well, there are some basic terms in the trigonometric ratio. In the trigonometry, the one it is trigonometric ratio. The first thing which you understand that what is trigonometric ratio. Class, when we take a right angle triangle and we find the ratio of the sides along with acute angle, then it is called as trigonometric ratio. Well, it will be more clear when I'll explain you further. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. The one it is sine theta. Again, the word theta is new for you. Theta is nothing but an angle. Well, I can say sine C also because here angle is C. So I can say sine C also, and the value of C, it is here theta. Okay, theta can be 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, up to so on 89 degree. Definitely it cannot be 90 degree because one angle is already 90 degree here. But we will be taking theta only as 30, 45, 60. Well, this can be 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. These three angles will be considering. The reason it cannot be 0 degree, why cannot be 0 degree? Because then it will not be a triangle. And it cannot be 90 degree. Why cannot be 90 degree? Because one of the angle is already 90 degree. Well, now the question it is, what is sine theta? Class, sine theta is nothing but perpendicular upon hypotenuse. I am representing perpendicular by P and hypotenuse by H. Well, now basically we know that this line is always as perpendicular. Class, in right angle triangle, if I am taking this angle, if I am considering this angle, then this will be perpendicular and this will be the base. But if I take this angle, then perpendicular will be this and the base will be this. But here in starting we will always taking angle at the base. So for you, the perpendicular will be the line AB and the base will be BC. Well, so this BC I am denoting by base and this AB I am denoting it by perpendicular. Well, now sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, then this AB, it is perpendicular and side opposite to 90 degree angle, it is hypotenuse. It means the AB upon AC will be nothing but your sine theta. Well, this cos theta, it is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta, it is perpendicular upon base. So initially you just learn the name of these trigonometric ratio: sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. The reciprocal of sine theta is known as cosec theta. Cosec theta. Reciprocal means h upon p. So this will be h upon p. Sec theta, it will be reciprocal of cos theta. That means h upon b. What is b? B is base, h is hypotenuse. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of tan theta. That is nothing but base upon perpendicular. Class, for this part we have to practice a lot, that what is perpendicular, what is base and what is hypotenuse. Well, we'll further discuss all these things. The other important word or important term, it is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Class, basically trigonometry we use in the practical life. Suppose I wish to find the height of a pole or height of a building, then there we use trigonometry. Suppose this is a pole PQ, or you can take it as a building PQ, and you are standing here, and if I wish to find this height of building, so one method is you just measure the wrist length. Class, the other method is that if you are standing here at the point A, we'll measure the length of AQ and we'll find this angle. This angle means if you are standing here and if you are watching the point P, so whatever angle it is in between your eye and the top of the building, this is known as angle of elevation, and this line is called as line of sight. Well, सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन समझने के लिए आप सिर्फ इतना समझिए कि आप नीचे खड़े हैं और किसी ऊपर वाली चीज़ को देख रहे हैं, तो जो एंगल यहाँ पर बनेगा बेस के साथ, उसको एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन कहते हैं. बट इफ़ यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, वेल, एंड सपोज you are watching a car which is at the point C, so definitely आपको नीचे की तरफ देखना पड़ेगा. Then the angle which you make with the parallel line is called angle of depression. Class, never take the angle of depression here. यहाँ पर आपको angle of depression नहीं लेना है. ट्रायंगल के अंदर एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा, वो ट्रायंगल के बाहर पैरेलल लाइन के संग जो एंगल बनेगा दैट विल बी योर एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. क्लास, इन हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस चैप्टर योर फिगर शुड बी correct, then only you will be getting marks. There is one separate mark for the figure only. आप अगर फिगर में गलत मेजर करते हैं एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, योर मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. तो आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए, जब आप नीचे खड़े होते हैं और किसी चीज़ को ऊपर की तरफ देखते हैं देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. जब आप ऊपर खड़े होते हैं और नीचे की तरफ किसी चीज़ को देखते हैं then it is called angle of depression. We'll concentrate only of angle of elevation because the questions which we are going to discuss, it is based on angle of elevation. But before that, we should be very clear about the trigonometric ratio. Well, so let us draw the different right angle triangles. Well, suppose I am taking triangle ABC. Fine. Then for me the base will be BC. आप हमेशा, आपको आदत रही है जो नीचे की साइड है उसको बेस ले लेते हैं और जो उसके सामने की साइड होती है उसको परपेंडिकुलर ले लेते हैं. वेल क्लास, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इफ आई एम टेकिंग एंगल C then the base will be BC. But if I'll take angle A then the base will be AB. बट अभी हम सारे क्वेश्चंस में बेस जो है वो BC को लेंगे. सो बेसिकली व्हेन वी आर डिफाइन साइन थीटा विच इज़ नथिंग बट परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल. ये आपका एंगल है, C के अपोजिट कौन सी साइड है? AB. सो AB विल बी दी परपेंडिकुलर एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज विल बी AC. क्लास, आई नो बहुत सारे बच्चों को हाइपोटेन्यूज भी जल्दी से नहीं समझ में आता है. जब फिगर इस तरीके का बना होता है तब उनको समझ में आता है AC. बट इफ़ आई जस्ट रोटेट द फिगर, वेल देन दे गेट कंफ्यूज. अभी फ़िलहाल आप सिर्फ ये समझिए कि ये अगर 90 डिग्री एंगल है तो AC हाइपोटेन्यूज है, Q 90 डिग्री है तो PR हाइपोटेन्यूज है, Y 90 डिग्री है तो XZ हाइपोटेन्यूज है. नाउ कम बैक अपॉन ऑन द साइन थीटा. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular was AB, hypotenuse was AC. So this is the value of sin theta. Well, and here theta means angle C. So sin C or sin theta both have the same meaning, AB upon AC. Now what is cos theta? It is base upon hypotenuse. अब फिर से आपको क्लियर होना चाहिए, बेस क्या है? QR. हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? PR. So QR upon PR will be cos theta. Tan theta is nothing but perpendicular upon base. So what is the perpendicular? XY. What is the base? YZ. So XY upon YZ will be tan Z. For height and distance chapter, we should learn all these values. Well, the value of sine 0 is equal to 0. Well, if this angle theta it is 0, then sine 0 it is equal to 0. Sine 30 degree is nothing but half. Sine 45 degree it is 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degree 1. Class, you have to learn these values. Without learning it, we cannot go through with the chapter height and distance. आपको हर एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो याद होना चाहिए और साथ में उसके ये वैल्यूज़ याद होनी चाहिए. फाइन. Now, if I take the triangle ABC and if I say angle is 30 degree and I wish to find the length AB. Well, अब आप देखिए AB क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर. और BC क्या है? बेस. अब आपको देखना है कि कौन से ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो में परपेंडिकुलर भी आता है और बेस भी आता है. So if you see tan theta, here it is perpendicular upon base. So we will be writing perpendicular upon base is equal to tan theta. And what is theta? Theta means angle, that is 30 degree. So the first line will be writing perpendicular upon base. और आपको पता होना चाहिए perpendicular upon base क्या होता है? tan theta होता है. So theta it is given as tan 30 degree. Now x upon 15 will be tan 30 degree. अब tan 30 degree की वैल्यू आप ढूंढिए क्या है? 1 upon root 3. So you will be writing it as 1 upon root 3. So the value of x will be equal to 15 upon root 3, and after rationalizing it, it means you have to multiply by root 3 and divide by root 3. So you will be cancelling it. Here it will be 3 and 3 upon 15 upon 3 will be 5. So 5 root 3 will be the answer. Well, take this triangle PQR. Again, if I am saying this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. अब आपको तुरंत सोचना है परपेंडिकुलर और हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो हमें कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो लेना है जिसमें परपेंडिकुलर भी आए और हाइपोटेन्यूज भी आए? दैट इज साइन थीटा. सो साइन थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. So 20 upon x, that is nothing but sine 45 degree. Now the value of sine 45, if you check it, is as 1 upon root 2. So 20 upon x is equal to 1 upon root 2. So x will be equal to 20 root 2. I hope you are clear for it. Class, the third one, in triangle XYZ, angle y is 90 degree and we are given xz. What is xz? Hypotenuse. That means we are given hypotenuse. What we wish to find? Base. तो बेस और हाइपोटेन्यूज के बीच में कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो होता है? cos थीटा. इसका मतलब आई विल बी राइटिंग x अपॉन 45 परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस इज इक्वल टू cos 60 degree. And what is the value of cos 60 degree? It is half. So x upon 45 will be half. So x will be 45 by 2, that is 22.5. I hope you are clear for the basic things used in height and distance chapter. Thank you so much.